What a beautiful beanie. This didn't take long at all to knit, and it was lots and lots of fun. It's got stretch, and I love the mock cable stitch. Simple and very, very effective. This is the right side of your pattern, and inside the beanie is your wrong side, which I actually think looks quite nice on its own. But I've knitted it for this mock cable. Using an Aran weighted wool or a 10-ply wool with 5mm round knitting needles, you'll have this knitted in no time at all. Start with 8 rows of rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. This will give it a lovely structure when it's on. Knit your pattern, which is only 4 rows of the pattern. Knit for a total of 15 centimetres. And then we have 3 rows of decreasing until we remain with 20 stitches and we sew the crown of the beanie up. This has been a joy. I've loved knitting this. Love the pattern. It was easy, quick, and it looks fabulous on. Row number 1, slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 2, then pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitches. Yarn to the front, purl 2. And that completes our pattern for row number 1. Continue all the way around. Row number 2, knit 1, yarn forward and towards you. Knit 1, yarn to the front, purl 2. And that completes our pattern for row number 2. Continue all the way around. Rows number 3 and 4, knit 3 stitches, purl 2. And that completes the patterns for row number 3 and 4. Continue all the way around. For the decreasing rows, start with the first row of our pattern. So we slip 1 onto our second needle, knit 2, we pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitches and purl 2. Continue all the way to the end. To decrease, we are going to follow the pattern. Knit 2 together, yarn forward and purl 2 together. Continue this all the way around, and this will decrease your stitches and start to make a very pretty crown of your beanie. For the third row of decreasing, knit 2 stitches together. Continue all the way around. When you have 20 stitches remaining on your knitting needle, grab a tapestry needle and feed the stitches onto it. Gently turn your beanie inside out so that we can sew the crown of the beanie. Gently feed the tapestry needle through the stitches. We want to make sure that this is firm and tight. You don't need all of the stitches. Just go through a few of them. Once you've secured the yarn on the crown of your beanie, feed your needle through a few of the stitches just to secure it, and then you're done. Gently cut the yarn, turn your beanie inside out. Oh, fantastic. This looks absolutely divine. Oh, can't wait to wear it. This looks beautiful. I love the crown. I love this stitch. It was such an easy and quick stitch, and it looks beautiful on. I hope you enjoy knitting this as much as I have.